Hi there, Year 6 Clarinet players. This is Hannah, and hope you're doing well at home. It's a bit different nowadays. We're all stuck in our bubbles, and I'm really looking forward to meet you soon in real life. But in the meantime, we can use the time for doing things at home that makes us feel good. And one of the things that you can do and that I really encourage you to do is to play music and make sure you keep your instrument. It's part of your routine at home. So when we meet again, you'll be all ready and fit to play again. But also, just because music actually makes you feel much happier. Right, so this is a bit of a virtual lesson for term 2, our first lesson. And I'm going to share my screen and show you what I would like you to work with at home. So hopefully you have your books at home. And if you don't have it, you can look, why don't you use this video and pause and you can read from the screen too. In the books, I would like you to get page 18 up. Page 18. Starting off with tone builder, which we have done, but it's just a really good way to start getting into the groove of playing our first 5 notes. Let's play together now, right? So when we read music, so just make sure when you're reading music to check out in the beginning, what's the time signature? Right? The time signature here is 4/4, 4 beats per bar. And here we go. I count us in. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and. Good. Right, now the next one we're going to do is number 87, Rhythm Builder. So some of you might have done it, but if you haven't, we're going to go through a little bit what to think of. So we need to have the habit of always looking in the beginning. So what's the time signature here? We have 4 beats per bar. And we have this sign in the beginning here, this one, showing us that we need to replace all our B's for B flats. And B flat is one of the notes we worked with just recently. So our high B flat, take your A and the thumb. Okay, that's our high B flat. Low B flat looks like this. Right, so that's what we need to be aware of in this little exercise because we have the flat there. Now, this one is a way to practice a rhythm. And basically what we have quarter notes and eighth notes. And the way you can do it, like you can use a word to remember it. So for quarter notes, we normally say tea. And then for eighth notes, when we have 2 eighth notes, we say coffee. So tea, coffee, tea, coffee, tea. Now using this, so let's go through first just the rhythms, right? We're starting with the quarter notes, right? I count us in and I'm going to do this tea, coffee, rap sort of thing. So please join me. I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tea, 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 coffee, tea, tea, coffee, tea, tea, coffee, tea, tea, coffee, tea, 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 coffee, coffee, tea, coffee, coffee, tea. Right, and then we have a repeat at the end as well. So what you need to do now is to figure out the notes. The first note is an F. Right, I'm going to do it once, no repeat. Please play along, but do the repeat when you practice at home. Just to make it a bit shorter, we do it without the repeat sign now. Right, so we have our F. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, and. Right. Okay, and now the piece on this page that I would like you to work with is the one that is number 90. It's called Variations on a Familiar Theme. And this means that it is a familiar song. I want you to practice this, check it out. It's a song you know. And then there are two variations. So basically it is the melody with little twists to it. And this piece, we don't have a flat sign in the beginning, which means we have B natural instead of B flat. Now, I encourage you to play more, of course, in the book. Make sure you do have a code, a personal code, so you can create your account, play along with the backgrounds. And yeah, I just think the main thing really is to keep on playing. Even if it's 5 minutes per day, that's going to make a big difference. It doesn't have to be half an hour. Just make sure you get your instrument up, blow in it, play something. Yeah. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you soon again. Take care.